has brought about incredible change and opportunity like never before. Did you know that it's actually possible to make a full-time income online through selling other people's products? And I'm not talking about making small commissions here, but more like 30, 50, sometimes even 75% commissions when you make a sale. And of course, you can do all of this without even leaving your home, through the amazing new opportunity provided by affiliate marketing. Now think about that for a minute. Being able to sell things without having to stock or fulfill it yourself? Just bring in a sale and collect your commission. We'd love to share more about this exciting new opportunity that countless others online are already using to create full-time incomes. To learn more, simply follow the directions on this page. We look forward to sharing our secrets with you.